Group 1. Today, we'll show you how problem-based learning, or PBL, can be enhanced using YouTube.
PBL is a student-centered approach where learners solve real-world problems, and with YouTube, learner becomes more engaging and accessible.
In this video, we'll demonstrate how YouTube supports PBL in different ways: research, collaboration, content creation, and feedback.
So first, YouTube is a great tool for research. Students can watch educational videos from experts, tutorials, and case studies to gather information about their problem.
In this video, we're going to cover a few common concepts that you'll see in a typical algebra course. So let's get right into it. So let's say if you have two terms, 5x plus 4x. These are considered like terms. Whenever you have like terms, you're allowed to add the coefficients. 5 plus 4 is 9.
For example, if students are solving a math problem, they can watch step-by-step tutorials. If it's a science experiment, they can learn through demonstration videos.
Students can collaborate by watching and analyzing videos together, then discussing their findings. Comment on videos, and brainstorm ideas for problem solving.
Much time I have left.
Yeah, none of us do, Grandma. None of
Another great way to use YouTube and PBL is by creating content. Students can make their own videos explaining concepts, sharing solutions, or documenting their projects.
This not only helps them understand the topic better, but also improves their communication and creativity skills.
So YouTube also allows students to receive feedback from their teachers, classmates, or even experts in the field. This helps them refine their solutions and improve their learning.
Welcome to the wonderful world of statistics. Today, we will discuss about mean, median, and mode.
By reviewing comments and reflecting on their works, students can identify areas for improvement and learn from different perspectives.
As you can see, YouTube is a powerful tool in problem-based learning. It makes research easier, encourages collaboration, enhances creativity, and provides valuable feedback.
We hope that this video helps you to see the potential of YouTube in education.
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Just kidding, but we'll love to hear your thoughts in the comments.
Thank you for watching and happy learning!